Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. I'm actually using my Nail Genie hand that I practice on, and I've put on some GLITTERBELS Stiletto Extreme tips and put at least a clear layer of acrylic down. If you want to know how I actually attach these tips to the practice hand, then I have actually got a video. If you want to check that out, if I remember, I will put it in the description below. The first nail we're coming in using the Radiant White from TS Beauty, and we're going to place this down on the ring finger and the thumb, keeping the layer nice and thin because we are going to be adding other acrylic later on, and then I will do the structure using the crystal clear later. If you wasn't aware, I am actually a brand ambassador for TS Beauty and you can get 10% discount using my code Dizzy10. I also have numerous other discount codes which are listed in the description box below, ranging from SBD London, Glitter Planet, GLITTERBELS, so please feel free to use those. And then the next colour we're coming in with is High Vis, and I've changed my brush up to use a number 6, and I'm just literally just going to put some wiggly lines as such, not really thinking about how I'm doing it, just random really. I'm just going to mould that with the brush in the shapes that I actually want and desire. And then the next colour we're coming in using Luminous Pink, and we're going to be doing the same but different lines as such, and we'll be putting this down on the middle finger. Again, I'm not really thinking about how the lines are, I'm not marrying them up in any certain pattern, I'm just going with the flow. And then we're going to come in with Dazzling Apricot. I'm going to put this on the pointy finger. Then we're going to come in with Arctic, and we're going to be placing this over the entire nail on the little finger. I'm keeping it quite wet so that it can get in all the nooks and crannies underneath that yellow, so that it doesn't create air bubbles or air pockets that bacteria can breed in. Don't worry about it being lumpy and bumpy, because we'll sort that out shortly. And then we're going to repeat this, but in apple on the middle finger. I must admit, when I did these, I didn't really think. I was just trying to go opposite colours, if you like. And I feel like this finger ended up looking more like a Christmas, even though it is a very bright pink. It just reminded me of Christmas red and green together, but it's still okay. And then we're going to come in with grape with this fingernail, and again this one kind of gave me Halloween vibes with the colour combination, so I really need to think about my colour combinations in the future. Once we've done that and all the acrylic is set up, we want to take your e-file or an hand file and go over all the bits to reveal the colour that was underneath with the nail art. And then we're going to cap all those in crystal clear, also from T's Beauty. If you've not tried their acrylics out, you really must do, because it's such a good acrylics. Dead easy to work with and they're very pigmented. I can't rave about these acrylics enough. And once we've capped those nails, we're going to come in with Unicorn Dreams, and I do re-wet the acrylic on the white, but I didn't show it unfortunately. And then we're just going to lay that Unicorn Dreams over the ring finger and the thumb. The glitters from the acrylic range is just always stunning. And once we've done that, then we're going to cap those. And the reason we capped the other nails first is so that no glitter got put into the other nails, because I didn't want any glitter on there. And I didn't want any glitter being transferred into the monomers. This happens quite frequently with me, so it just avoids that. So if you do struggle like me with that, then make sure you do all your glitters after you've done all your other nails. And then you want to go in and file all those nails. And then we're coming in with Candy Coat 002, which is a black gel paint, and we're just going to outline all of them lines that we've done. And then once it's done and cured them, we're going to come in with Nail Nails foil glue. If you've not used this, again, this is fantastic. And then we're coming in with some foils from TS Beauty, the butterfly ones, and I really wanted these lovely vibrant ones. Once that gel is cured, you want to place a foil on there and give it a really good rub. It isn't the easiest on these hands to get that pressure, so I do end up taking these out of the nail hand and to give that extra pressure to then help let the foil remove. And then we're just repeating that step on the thumb. And then I didn't realise I'd actually missed a line here, so I'll come back in with that Candy Coat 002 to reapply on this nail I'd missed. And then cure that, and then we're coming in with SBD London's Tempering Top Coat, which is an amazing top coat. It's super shiny, and we're just going to top coat all those nails. And these will be the nails done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love it if you please commented and subscribed, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.